Hello my friends! Today, we will color the lion. Let's start with the mane. It will be brown. Look how interesting it is. Do you like it? Awesome! Now, we're painting the nose. With orange color, we will paint the lion's body and legs. This is wonderful! So beautiful and colorful. Do you agree? The face will also be orange. And the ears. And the tail. Mouth will be yellow. And eyes. And nails. The tip of the tail will be brown. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next videos. Bye.